As part of the World Water Day celebration, the Office of the Public Health and Engineering Department, Ribhoi District, today organized a 5-kilometer run from Sidon to Downgate, Nongpoh, in which around 70 participants participated in the run under different categories. The theme of this year's World Water Day is Water for Peace, which focuses on the critical role water plays in the stability of the world. Meanwhile, the Public Health Engineering Department, in collaboration with the District Sports Office, Southwest Garo Hills, in the celebration of World Water Day, organized a spirited 10K run starting from the indoor stadium in Ampati.
Kajing penmare marathon ni kena mai ailat lagu kena temptation rang ki kena sulung bagi balakan rang ba kita menang yo kajuk kalat nation benta dan spread awareness ban wanra kata kubuah habede ketika World Water Day kamtam habangin wanra ya ketika team ma ko water for peace mereka kumna mangi kinong senang kan bangin sutu dalam hindang ni ko kabut kebabian kemudian ke imlang salam ke besok ke beteman mangi sutu mana obre mi dan kami ko teradangin dan ko kawan rak ka thana ha ki senang ki thau no man obre mi dan kami ko babon ki yang